Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin ETFs or exchange-traded funds, follow these step-by-step instructions to gain exposure to Bitcoin through traditional investment accounts. Step 1. Understand that Bitcoin ETFs are investment funds that track the price of Bitcoin and trade on traditional stock exchanges, allowing you to invest in Bitcoin without directly owning, storing, or securing the cryptocurrency yourself. Step 2. Research available Bitcoin ETFs by comparing their expense ratios, assets under management, tracking accuracy to Bitcoin's price, and whether they hold actual Bitcoin or use futures contracts to track the price. Step 3. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one, using platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, or Robinhood that offer access to ETF trading. Step 4. Complete the account setup by providing personal information, employment details, financial situation, and investment experience. Verify your identity and link a bank account for funding your brokerage account. Step 5. Deposit funds into your brokerage account through bank transfer, wire transfer, or check. Most brokers allow electronic transfers that take a few business days to process. Step 6. Search for Bitcoin ETFs using their ticker symbols, such as BITO for ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF or other Bitcoin ETF tickers, depending on which ETFs are available in your country and through your broker. Step 7. Place your order by selecting the number of shares you want to buy, choosing between a market order or limit order, and reviewing the total cost, including any commissions or fees charged by your broker. Step 8. Monitor your investment through your brokerage account, keeping in mind that Bitcoin ETFs will generally follow Bitcoin's price movements, but may not perfectly track it due to management fees and other factors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.